Assalamu alaikum. Hello friend, today I bring a very wonderful video for you. In this video I have shown how to connect your mobile phone with your security camera so that you can view your security camera online. For this purpose I need a crimping tool, cat 6 cable, two RJ4 connectors, and surely a Wi-Fi modem and DVR, etc. Friend, to start my video, first of all you have to make cat 6 cable. But the question is, what is the cable will be on the 6th position, brown white cable will be on the 7th position, and brown cable will be on the 8th position. We will use this coloring scheme on the one end of the wire, and on the other end we will use T65 T568B. The coloring scheme will be as I am telling you. The orange white will be on the first position, orange will be on the second position, green white will be on the third position, blue will be on the fourth position, blue white will be on the fifth position, and green will be on the sixth position. Brown white cable will be on the seventh position, and 568B connector, so that okay friend, now on the other hand we will again repeat the same process, but we in here we will use the T568B standard, in which as I have told you earlier that we will follow follow the code scheme, as at the first place we will keep the orange white wire. On place 2 we will keep the orange wire. On place 3 we will keep the green white wire. On place 4 we will keep blue wire. On place 5 we will keep blue white wire. On 6th place we will keep green wire. On 7th place we will keep brown white wire, and on place 8 we will keep brown wire. By following this standard, now I will trim the wire equally and insert the RJ45 connector, so that all the wires can be pushed on the same slot. Now I will use the crimping tool and punch it with the crimping tool. I'm sorry. Okay friend, now I will test the cable with the tester. Such type of tester is also present on Amazon. You can buy it from there. Hopefully I will share the link in description. So this is a cable tester. In this cable tester I will check the connection, whether the all the cables are pinned with the RJ45 connector properly or not. So you can see all the cables are punched very properly. That's very cool. Our cable is working perfectly. That's very cool. Now the second phase, we will connect the one end of the cable with the router, or you can say it's the modem, Wi-Fi modem, and the other end of the cable we will connect it with the DVR. So as you can see my DVR, I am inserting the other end of the cable in this DVR. So that's cool. Let's see whether it's working or not. The green signal will show that it's working properly. That's good, very good. I have made the cable very properly and it's working accurately. Now friends, this was the physical connection between the modem and the DVR. Okay friend, now logically we configure the DVR and modem. For this we will open the setup of the DVR, like as you know, you can see that my DVR is MHK. Now I have opened the wizard. Now in this I will first of all, you can configure the country and date and time setting. Here I will choose, because I am living in Pakistan, I have choose the time zone Islamabad and Karachi, Tashkent, Karachi. Also I have configured the current time according to my local. uh, you can see. Now I will configure the test is gateway test is failed. Now I will configure the IPs of my network. Now in this point in here I will configure the IPs as you can see in the primary DNS and secondary DNS setting here in this point. After the configuring IPs of my network, it will surely it will I will test the gateway whether it is working properly or not. Okay friend, so now I will click the next. You can say this is the IP of my network, and I have almost it's almost done. I have entered the primary DNS and secondary DNS, and then click OK. Okay, now I will test the gateway whether it is very cool, that's working. The red writing is converted into the green. Now it's the app and serial number, QR code, and here you can by scanning this QR code you can install the app on your mobiles and the serial number of my product. So after this all the setup has been done, and this is my first part of the video. In second part of the video I will show you how to configure these things with how to install this app and actually view the cam remotely. So till wait for my second part of this video. So friends, again I'm very thankful for your cooperation, and you can buy these items on Amazon. I have mentioned the links in description. And friends, subscribe my channel, watch my channel, share with your friends, and also like so that you can watch my new videos immediately. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.